To convert your truss bar from a 4-line quad control into a 5-line fifth element, unroll the lines of the truss bar and lay them out in the same you would for rigging. The 5th line upgrade kit comes with the 5th line, an adjustment line, different pigtail sizes, and a manual. Unroll the 5th line and connect the lower tail of the red front line from the 5th element upgrade kit to the small metal ring above the safety pulley. And push it from below through the large opening. Take care that the lines are not twisted. Remove the red pigtail from your safety line, red and blue safety line, and replace it with the blue pigtail from the 5th element upgrade kit. Make sure the red front line from the 5th element upgrade kit and the 2 front lines are the same length. If this is not the case, the length can be adjusted via the different settings on the pigtails or the adjustment line.